All right, welcome back to another Everything Gotta Go giveaway, and this is going to be Everything Gotta Go giveaway 24, and this is going to be the last of the triple giveaways, but not the last of the Everything Gotta Go giveaways, because here's some more that I just got to do some battery replacements for. These have already been tested, they already work. They were just left over from Christmas in my little local donation that I did. If you want to check out the review for each one of these, watch up here in the corner and watch for the card to show up. But this is just a video where you can get yourself entered. So to enter the giveaway, you just have to be a subscriber from the US. Sorry, I don't do international shipping because it's really not worth it for like the cost of how much these are. You pay that, then some to ship it outside. Plus with like the lithium battery rules and all that other stuff, I don't want to deal with that. It's easier to just ship it here in the US. So the rules and info will be down in the description. But if you want to get yourself entered, you can only comment for one of these. So pick your favorite one. So if you want to try and win the Joystone jet boat, then just type in Joystone jet boat. If you want to win the Holy Stone HS210, then go ahead and comment that. And if you want a chance to win the JJRC JX01, go ahead and comment that. So you only can comment for one. If you do more than one comment, I'm filtering duplicate users, so you still will only get one comment picked. You don't get extra chances for commenting more times. And also, if you try and put more than one of these in your comment, that comment will be disqualified and we'll move on to the next comment. I'll be doing a live drawing on February 10th and I'll be randomly selecting your comments out of this video. And don't forget to hit that subscribe button. Good luck to everyone who enters and I hope to see you in the live drawing.